Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys a lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your lava phone. So how to stop talkback today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have on talkback on your lava phone and friends on your Android phone. Friends, now you want to stop, and friends you can see you are not operating your lava phone screen. So now how to stop talkback? Friends, use your two finger. Any two finger friends you can use it, but guys use your two finger. Friends, click on one tap on phone setting, and friends continue two tap, because guys one tap if you setting will not on. So let's continue two tap on setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type interface of how to stop talkback. Friends, scroll it with your two finger again, and don't use one finger friends, you cannot scroll. Friends, again scroll assistant setting, one tap here. Friends, two tap here. Friends, click smart answer and scroll it. Accessibility setting is one tap here. Friends, double tap here. Friends, talkback, one tap, and friends double tap here. Friends, you can see use talkback setting, click here, double tap here friends, stop button. Friends, you want to stop talkback, stop. So friends, how to stop talkback? Friends, continue to tap here, talkback will stop on your device. So friends, now you can use your phone guide without any talkback setting. So like that friends, we can stop talkback on lava phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.